Good morning students. Welcome back to biology class. In last class we have taken an overview of a cell. Today we are going to talk about the size and shape of cell. As we know that cell greatly differ in size, shape and activities. So smallest cell is mycoplasma, which have 0.3 micrometer diameter. Okay. Mycoplasma, also known as PPLO. Full form of PPLO, pleuropneumonia like organism. Pleuropneumonia like organism. PPLOs, organisms, plural form. Mycoplasma is the smallest cell. It has 0.3 micrometer diameter and it is also known as PPLO, full form pleuropneumonia like organism. Okay. It is included in prokaryotic cells. Character of prokaryotic cells, they have cell wall, but in mycoplasma cell wall is absent. Second, largest cell is egg of an ostrich. It is isolated largest cell. Third, longest cell is nervous cell. It means neuron. Smallest cell mycoplasma, largest cell egg of an ostrich, longest cell nervous cell. Fourth, human RBC, human red blood corpuscles have 0.7 micrometer in diameter. Means size of RBCs 0.7 micrometer. Bacteria have 3 to 5 micrometer size. So size of cells vary in every organisms. Now we are going to discuss about the shape of cells. Like size, shape of cells vary in every organisms according to their function, and the shape of cells may be cuboidal, polygonal, disc-like, irregular, okay. Let's see some diagrams of cells like human RBC shape, is biconcave and round, okay. Second, shape of WBC is amoeboidal, means shape is not fixed like amoeba. Shape of nervous cell is branched and long. And shape of tracheids of xylem is the vascular tissue found in plants, and tracheids is the component of xylem. Its shape is linear pointed. And shape of epithelial cells is columnar, it means shape of cells vary in each organisms. It is the columnar epithelium cells present in animal cells. Biconcave, branched, linear pointed, irregular, columnar. These shapes represent the varying structure in organisms. Now, our next topic is prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Pro meaning primitive, karyon meaning nucleus, U meaning true, karyon means nucleus. Primitive, nucleus, and eukaryotic means true or well developed nucleus. Karyon means nucleus. So, primitive nucleus is found in prokaryotic cells and true nucleus is found in eukaryotic cells. Let's see characters of prokaryotic cells. In prokaryotic cells, well defined nucleus is absent. Nucleus is without membrane. Membraneless cell organelle is present. Okay. For example, bacteria, comma, mycoplasma, comma, blue-green algae. In short, BGA are considered in prokaryotic because in bacteria, mycoplasma and blue-green algae, nucleus is primitive, not well developed. And in eukaryotic cells, well defined nucleus is present. Membrane bound nucleus membrane bound cell organelles cytoplasmic compartmentalizations are present in eukaryotic cells but absent in prokaryotic cells. In detail नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में बात करेंगे. एग्जाम्पल, प्रोटिस्टा, फंजाई, plant cell and animal cells are considered in eukaryotic cell. It means plants, animals, fungus and protists are example of eukaryotic cells. Let's see the structure of bacteria. It means structure of prokaryotic cells. These are common difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic.